Infiniti Q50. The Infiniti Q50 is a luxury sedan that seamlessly blends dynamic performance, advanced technology, and sophisticated design. As a flagship model for Infiniti, it offers an engaging driving experience with a focus on comfort and innovation. Whether for a daily commute or a spirited drive, the Q50 is designed to impress both driver and passenger alike. The Infiniti Q50 stands out with its bold and sculpted design. Its signature double-arch grille, LED headlights, and flowing lines create a sporty yet refined appearance. Aerodynamic elements, such as the integrated rear spoiler and sleek side mirrors, enhance both its style and performance. Available in multiple trims, including the sporty red Sport 400, the Q50 offers unique exterior accents, larger alloy wheels, and a choice of vibrant color options, allowing owners to express their individuality. The Q50's interior is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, offering a premium environment for both driver and passengers. High-quality materials, including leather-appointed seats and aluminum or wood trim, create a sophisticated ambience. Comfort is prioritized with features like dual-zone automatic climate control, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, and available quilted semi-aniline leather upholstery. The spacious cabin ensures ample legroom and headroom, making it ideal for long journeys. The Infiniti Q50 offers a range of powerful engine options to suit various driving preferences. A standard 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers 208 horsepower. A 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine offers 300 horsepower. The high-performance Red Sport 400 trim boasts a more potent version of the V6, producing 400 horsepower for thrilling acceleration and driving dynamics. Paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission and available intelligent all-wheel drive, the Q50 delivers responsive handling and a smooth, controlled ride. Its direct adaptive steering system enhances precision, providing a tailored driving experience. The Infiniti Q50 is equipped with an intuitive dual-screen infotainment system, featuring an 8-inch upper screen for navigation and a 7-inch lower screen for controls. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility ensure seamless smartphone integration. A premium Bose Performance Series audio system with 16 speakers elevates the in-car entertainment experience. Meanwhile, advanced driver assistance features such as predictive forward collision warning, lane departure prevention, and a round-view monitor with moving object detection provide safety and peace of mind. The Q50 strikes a perfect balance between luxury and value. Its extensive list of standard features and competitive pricing make it an attractive option for those seeking a premium sedan without compromise. Infiniti's attention to craftsmanship and innovation ensures that the Q50 remains a standout in its class. The Infiniti Q50 is a testament to the brand's commitment to performance, luxury, and technology. With its striking design, powerful engines, and advanced features, it offers an exhilarating yet comfortable driving experience. For those who desire a luxury sedan that delivers on style, innovation, and value, the Infiniti Q50 is an exceptional choice.